Think back to the last time you were blocked from entering a website until you squinted at a distorted word or clicked every single picture of a stoplight. It was a universal, incredibly annoying point of friction. Modern websites have quietly phased these out. Tools like Cloudflare Turnstile or Google reCAPTCHA v3 now verify identity in the background, often letting you in without requiring a single manual interaction. The puzzles haven't vanished. They have evolved into background surveillance. Instead of testing your ability to see, websites now track the physical and technical telemetry of your connection. This verification shift allows security systems to prioritize a composite risk score, weighing the natural imperfections of human movement against the specific hardware signals of the device. Behavioral analysis tracks how you physically interact with a page. When you move a mouse toward a button, your hand has natural, microscopic tremors that create a noisy, shaky curve. A bot script moves in mathematically perfect straight line. Digital fingerprinting provides the technical layer. Silent JavaScript tests evaluate how your specific device renders complex 3D graphics or audio. These WebGL and Canvas signatures act as a unique hardware profile. Automated headless browsers used by bot operators often lack standard consumer APIs or display monitors. Because their technical profile is too perfect, they immediately fail the fingerprint check. Finally, IP intelligence cross-checks the origin of your connection. If a request comes from a commercial data center like Amazon Web Services rather than a consumer internet provider, the system flags it as a likely server-hosted bot. Access is no longer granted by answering a question. It is awarded to users whose biological behavior and technical environment fall within a trusted range. Bot operators have evolved into elite engineers who treat browser security as an architectural problem to be solved. They use adversarial AI to bypass the very systems meant to detect them. Advanced bots now deliberately inject noise into their performance. They use AI to generate variable typing cadences, random pauses, and imperfect scroll acceleration just to mimic human browsing rhythms. To defeat fingerprinting, attackers deploy consistent, realistic profiles across their bot networks. They don't just randomize data, they replicate the exact technical correlations found in actual consumer smartphones and laptops. In this environment, a script is rarely caught for being too simple. It is blocked for being too precise to be human. The high stakes of botting are visible in the aggressive scalping of high-demand events, such as Taylor Swift concert tickets. To secure thousands of seats, scalpers need millions of requests. Using standard data center IPs would lead to an instant block, as security systems recognize commercial server traffic immediately. Bot operators bypass this by using residential proxy networks. They route traffic through unpatched smart TVs, home routers, and other IoT devices that have been compromised and turned into proxy nodes. Malicious traffic is routed through everyday family home internet connections globally. To a website, a bot request from a residential neighborhood looks identical to a person browsing from their couch. If the front-end security is too effective, attackers pivot to API-level attacks. Large language model scrapers target the back-end endpoints used by mobile apps, allowing them to pull data while bypassing mouse tracking and scroll speed detection entirely. By masking their location in real homes and avoiding visual interfaces, attackers effectively neutralize the internet's primary behavioral defenses. Static observation fails to stop adaptive software. To counter machine speed attacks, security teams now deploy deception-driven defenses to bait attackers into revealing themselves. This is a honeypot trap. Developers embed a hidden input field in the website's code, styled to be invisible to humans. An AI bot reading the raw code assumes it's mandatory. Filling this invisible box is an instant flag, identifying the script with 100% certainty. Defenders also use moving target defenses, where servers constantly randomize API paths and alter response times in real time. These shifting architectures work by breaking the pattern recognition that AI bots rely on. They turn a bot's own machine learning speed into a liability. The visual CAPTCHA is largely becoming a legacy tool. Proving your humanity no longer requires you to pause and solve a puzzle for a machine. Modern digital identity relies on this invisible, continuous scoring of your behavior and your technical environment. The screen stays clear because the verification happens before you even click a button. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, And subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.